Did you know that a single word in English can have completely different meanings depending on how you use it? Words like bank, light, or even date can change their meaning in the blink of an eye. Let's explore 8 common English words with multiple meanings and see how they're used in daily life. Word 1. Bank. Our first word is bank. It can mean a place to keep your money, like, I went to the bank to withdraw cash. But it can also mean the side of a river, like, we had a picnic on the riverbank. Word 2. Light. Next, we have light. It can mean brightness, as in, turn on the light, it's so dark in here. But it can also describe something not heavy, like, this bag is really light. Word 3. Run. The word run has many meanings. It can mean to move fast, like, she runs every morning. Or it can mean to manage something, like, he runs a successful company. Fun fact: run actually has more than 600 meanings in English. Word 4. Match. Match can refer to a small stick that makes fire, like, can you pass me a match? Or it could mean a sports competition, as in, did you watch the football match last night? And sometimes, it means something that goes well together, like, these shoes match my dress. Word 5. Date. Date is a triple threat. It can mean a romantic outing, like, we went on a date last night. It can also mean a day on the calendar, like, what's the date today? And finally, it's a type of fruit, like, dates are delicious and healthy. Word 6. Watch. Watch can mean a device to tell the time, like, I forgot my watch at home. Or it can mean observing something, like, we love to watch movies together. Word 7. Bat. Bat can mean sports equipment, like, he hit a home run with his bat. Or it can refer to the flying mammal, like, we saw bats in the cave. Word 8. Right. Right can mean the opposite of left, as in, turn right at the corner. Or it can mean correct, like, you're absolutely right. It can also mean a privilege, like, you have the right to speak freely. Quick quiz section. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct meaning of the word. I went to the blank to withdraw money. Answer: bank. This box is so blank, I can carry it with one hand. Answer: light. We're going on a romantic blank tonight. Answer: date. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. Learning English can be tricky, but it's also fun when you dive into its quirks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know which word surprised you the most in the comments. See you in the next lesson.